Okay guys, so you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video we are going to learn how to fix TeraBox not opening problem. So if your TeraBox is not opening when you try to open it, this is what you have to do. First of all, TeraBox uses some data, so you have to check whether you have some data or not. If that's not the case, then what you have to do is to just scroll down. So when you get to your phone menu, just scroll down and set for your settings app. So after that, you tap on the settings app. After tapping on it, you're going to see this. So just try to tap on apps and notification or apps and preference on other devices. As you can see, I have apps and notifications, so you tap on it. After tapping on it, you're going to see your apps. Just tap on it, or you're going to see app list on other device. It's all the same, so just tap on it. Then you scroll and search for your TeraBox app. So you can also use the search bar over here, but I want to show you so that it becomes more easier for you guys. So um, I think TeraBox is going to be around this place. So this TeraBox, you just tap on it when you find it. Then you tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. It's not going to worry you on this device. So after that, tap on notifications. Then you turn it on. So just tap it on. After that, go back. So when you get back, what you have to do is to tap on data and Wi-Fi. So you're going to see maybe mobile data restrictions is all the same. Just tap off on. After that, you go back. Then you tap on permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to make sure camera, contact, and also storage is allowed. It's very necessary. After doing this, tap on the storage and cache. Then you clear the cache. Then before you tap on the storage to clear it, you have to check all your things. You have to just move all your things from your TeraBox app to maybe a different cloud storage or a different storage device, like using an SD card or a pen drive. So after that, you're going to see this all these apps data will be deleted permanently. These include all files, settings, accounting database, and etc. So you just have to move things that are very really important to you. Just it happened. Okay, so go back and check whether you have the updates of the app. So just search for Google Play Store. Just tap on it. Then after that, it's up on the TeraBox storage. So as you can see, this is a cloud storage, and if it's not opening, maybe it might be this not being updated. So you have to update it. So just tap on the update section, and as you can see, it's pending. My data is not on, so it's not going to count right now. So you have to wait for this to move from pending to downloading, and it's going to start from 0 to 100 and get reinstalled on your device successfully. After doing this, don't just open the app. You have to tap on the power button for some while.